Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Basic settings is there.
Okay, sir.
Basic settings, what is there? You know that. Period
Yes, sir. Right.
parameter, date
Date
modifier,
modifier. Yes, sir.
payroll area.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
default payroll area, generate
Yes,
payroll
right.
periods, generate
Yes, sir.
calendar accumulation, create
Mm.
control record. Right? That is very
Yes,
common.
sir. Right. Yes, yes.
But in German payroll, you don't have an option to create period parameter and date modifier.
Okay,
In
sir.
in such
Okay.
a cases, normally SAP has provided 01 monthly, 02 weekly, semi-monthly, 03 weekly. You can use that. And date modifier 00 also. Okay. Normally we can take 00 standard modified. Okay, we will discuss when we go there. Just I'm telling. Okay,
Yes, sir.
basic
Okay.
settings. The rest is same. Then after basic pay configuration, that is okay. Now basic settings configuration related to what info type?
Zero zero
001
one.
info,
Yes, sir.
001 info type. And to run payroll, we are using payroll periods because without
Yes,
basic
sir.
settings, you cannot run payroll. That is one thing.
Payroll.
Now basic,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Right.
Basic pay configuration, very, very important. Okay,
Yes,
pay
sir.
scale type, pay scale area, T510 table, T511 table, T539J table, T539A table means wage type characteristics, revise pay
Right,
scale
sir.
groups and levels, such as. Okay, now this is related to 8 info type. Okay, no other
Okay.
info types will come into picture. Next one, recurring payments, sorry. Yes, recurring payments and deduction, this is related to 0014 info type. Then additional payment that 0015 info type that you know very well.
Yes, sir.
Then employee remuneration information that is 2010 info type.
2010.
Okay. Then additional payment off cycle that is 0267 info type.
Yes, sir.
Any country, these are very common.
Okay.
Okay. But some countries off cycle payroll, it may not be there. That is to be developed according to the company requirement. But this is a process.
Yes, sir.
Here, what is the different? Here, the different is only modal wage types are different.
Correct.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
certain secondary wage types are country specific. What are those? You have to know.
Okay.
What are those? You have to know. Modal wage type, just you have to know. Right. Then this is very common for every country. Okay. Again, this is okay. Only the basic settings we can configure in the payroll. Remaining you can configure in the PM, personal management, personal administration you can create.
Yes, sir. Right.
What are the major? Okay. Next one. After that, absences. So absences, we need time integration. Absences means in the payroll, we have to configure whatever the absences are created in the time management, those will reflect in payroll. In the payroll, you have to specify. When we specify whether paid or unpaid, that is V underscore T554C table, there are certain PC1 subschema is there, PCR is there that we have to know. Country
Okay.
to country, the PCR is different. Say, for example, Saudi payroll is SAOD.
SA. Yes, sir. Right.
Here it is DAOD in German payroll.
Okay.
So, okay, normally it is XMOD PCR.
Yes, sir. Right.
XMOD PCR. First two letters like SAOD, AEOD, like it will be there. So that,
Yes, sir.
okay, DAOD, this. So, only the variation, the two letter, it can be first letter or it can be two letters. That's just you have to find out. So, what I mean to say, absences. Next one, time-based type valuation. Again, this is time integration. Time
Right, sir.
integration means overtime base type should come from T510 table. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
copy a base type. Again, there you have to know the schema. Okay, so schema here that is DT00. Here in German payroll, DT00 that we have to know. Okay, when the part will come schema, we'll discuss here. That is one thing here. Then after
Okay.
cumulations. Cumulation, this is any country, it is very common. Like, what are the accumulation types are there? Monthly, quarterly, half yearly,
Monthly,
yearly.
quarterly. Yes, sir. Right.
Just you can check it here. Then after cumulation wage type. Cumulation class 1, cumulation class 10 are very common. Processing class 3, processing class 20 are very common. Other than that, country specific cumulation classes, what are those?
Okay.
Country specific. Okay, in Australian payroll, we discussed certain. Okay, say for example, 11, okay, then 41, 42, 72, such size. In Saudi payroll, only one cumulation class 2.
Yes.
110 are very
Yes, sir.
common.
Yes,
Like
sir. Right.
German payroll also, there are certain cumulation classes are there. Okay,
Okay.
that is one thing here. Then after integration are very common. HR with finance, every country, it is very
Finance.
common.
Yes.
Okay. Other than that, cumulations. Then DMA, data medium integration. That means uh, bank creation. Okay. So when we post to the finance people a file, it is to be generated that we can provide to the finance people. That is HR with finance integration. That is DME or EFT, electronic fund transfer. Other than that, what is there? Normal thing, cumulation. Okay, this is right. Now only German specific is there. What we have to know here, that is one thing is garnishments,
Okay.
taxation, and tax
Okay.
class. There is a tax
Okay.
garnishment. A garnishment is a type of deduction. In there, it is known as a seizable amount, session. Different words are there in German payroll. Now, okay,
Okay,
that
sir.
we can discuss. And taxation, tax class also. So tax classes are updated through the German registration office. German registration office will take care of everything, pension, tax class, everything it is. So SAP system, it must be integrated to the ZSA system, German database system. German
Okay.
database system in the sense, how many workers are there in Germany in German database system? A government office is there, German registration office, it is available with them. How many employees are German people? How many non-German people are there? How many students
Okay.
are working? How many students are not working? They have the full data.
Okay, sir.
In the world, one country I can tell Germany is the first country to maintain the right data. If you go to US also it is good. But in India, if you ask any company, tell your employee details, some people they don't have the data also. But in Germany it's not like that. Transparency is
Okay.
there. Right. So
Okay.
garnishment, taxation, then benefits and benefits integration. Health benefits, okay.
Okay.
Health benefits, insurance benefits, savings benefits, such as here.
Okay, sir.
Then after the social insurance. Social insurance, that is social insurance here, pension insurance, care
Okay.
insurance, health insurance, UI,
Okay.
unemployment insurance, pension
Okay, sir.
insurance,
So
care
many insurance
insurance,
we they are having.
health insurance, unemployment
Unemployment.
insurance. Right. Okay.
Okay.
Apart from that, let me log on to the server.
And so German and South Africa, if possible, please cover in S4 HANA server only.
Yes, for
Yes, sir.
only.
Yes, sir. Sir,
There
so
is
just
no
you, yeah,
there
sorry,
is
sir, you
no
continue.
big difference between S4 HANA and okay, a little bit different. That is, if you
Yes, sir.
learn one country, it's very simple to go with that. It's not a big thing, but I'm teaching on S4 HANA only.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, so you just told me that South Africa is not using by any, like not using, most of the companies are not using, right? So will it
No,
like,
it's a
yeah,
small country, and few companies are there. That is the reason I asked you. Why are you going with South Africa? That's I'm
okay,
asking.
okay, sir, okay.
Yeah, this is South Africa here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, just we can
And
no
sir,
problem. Yes.
it is recently added in SAP, right, sir? Not too much, like I can
No,
say almost
no.
20.
Yeah, yeah. So I think South Africa is added, I think in 2013 or 14, it has been added. Before that, it is not there.
Yes, yes, sir, right,
No,
right.
not only this, even that is a part of international payroll. Like,
International.
Yeah, yes. So earlier, even all Gulf countries are also part of international. 13, 14 has
International.
been added.
Yes.
I think not 11. I think it has been added.
But currently we are discussing Germany. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, German payroll and accumulation guaranteed in court not required. So it's DO.
Okay.
This is 20 info type related here.
Okay.
So it's very simple. This is a communication data center. What is mean by DO? What is info type? What we have to maintain? We'll discuss. Then it is absolute. It is not there here. That is not a big thing here.
Okay.
But let me go with notification procedure, compensation benefits. EEL also we can discuss. This is
Okay, sir.
notification procedure. Then
And sir,
kept
in Australia, like we are using STP. In UK, we are using RTI. In German also, we are having some kind of third party. Uh,
not in German payroll, not RTI. That is HMRC.
HMRC. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Yes, I told you, na, ZSS. German
ZSS.
database system.
Okay.
ZSS.
German
I told
database.
you.
Okay.
Yes. Capital income formation. Company insurance is not very mandatory. Okay, but let me take it here. Company insurance.
Okay.
Okay, where are you? Okay, garnishment already we discussed. Flexible garnishment reforms also. That is not a big thing here. Right. SEPA direct debits. Data medium exchange here. Okay, FIERI also we can discuss certain things here. If it is ESS,
Okay.
MSS is implemented, FIERI. In the
Okay,
future,
sir.
everything is going to come in the FIERI only. And
Yes, sir.
communication with authorities also. This is also. So this is business to administration integration part. This is.
Okay.
Okay. Mm, Not okay. Script form. So there is a BAPers will do that. But little bit script. What is mean by here? I will write down forms.
Okay, sir.
HR forms, farm editor, smart farms. So we are not going to discuss, but what is the difference you have to know. What are the farms? Just we have to know. Okay, legacy data transfer also. Let me discuss certain things though. There it is here. And okay, this also will discuss A1 notification procedure also. What does it mean? Recently we worked on that.
Okay.
Okay, accumulation, create waste reduction. Okay, this we forgot about. Okay, here here very common thing here. Okay, reduction formula. Nothing but factoring.
Okay, sir.
Reduction formula. We forget that. Okay, so then after okay, separate maternity protection act is there here. How it will be?
Okay.
There it is. Okay, so time based type, that is time quota company. This is okay. Yeah, yeah. These are the things we have to cover. This. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, next one, program. RP, RPCALC D0 is the program.
Okay, sir.
So that nothing but a payroll program.
Payroll program, right, sir?
Yes, main schema, nothing but payroll driver. D
Yes,
triple
sir.
zero.
D triple zero.
D
Okay.
triple zero is a schema. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, in D triple zero also, just because we will concentrate technically. You know basic pay that is everything you know that.
Yes, sir.
So P01 D triple zero. Okay, let me go with the okay subschema. I want to give a specification to you. Subschemas. This is DGD0.
Okay.
In Germany, we have to if you have 100 years of experience, again, there is a question in German payroll. Why? The
Okay.
reason also I will tell you when we discuss DG, D0, basic data information that we can discuss. Basic data means normally 4 zeros, 1, 2, say 7, 18, 40, such as here. Okay, but slight change we have to find out there it is. What are those that we can discuss? Now, DA, DLA, this is. So DLO means import last payroll results. Say for example, this month basic pay 10,000. Last month basic pay is also 10,000. Compare if you want to see, you can see that. This is DA, that is X0006 PCR is there, processing class 6 it is there, that we can just, I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, processing class 6, D0006 that is. There it is required in and after that, okay, next one, time schema, very, very important. This is here. What is time schema in, okay, in Australian payroll, QT00 is there, na?
Yes, sir. Right.
There in Saudi Arabia, SAT0 that is. But their
Yes.
common abbreviations are in DT00. What is that? GenPIS, REB, PAB,
Yes, sir.
P2010,
Yes.
ZLIT, X015. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Other than this, PARTT, because very, very important, na? This, right? But
Yes.
here in DT00, okay, here, the wonder we can say here, okay, directly they can put, okay, there is a subschema, DPDWS is personal work schedule is there, same thing here it is here. Again, we can find out GenPace, okay, PRTT, but in a
Yes, sir.
subschema it is there. It is a subschema. Directly they can put it there. Okay, this is a confusion to the new learners. If you are a new learner, already you have some experience, you
Yes,
can
sir.
go ahead. But completely
Okay.
new one, it is very, very confusing to the
Challenging.
learner. Very confusing
Right, sir.
because see all the steps is not here. See everywhere they specified. Okay, it is not required. It's not required. Okay, that is one thing here. Okay, then what are the PCRs? Are D010, D013, DMOD. These are related to overtime related here, like Q010, okay, Q013, QMOD, here DMOD. There is no big difference also. Okay, just I can show
Yes.
you. First, I will show you Indian payroll. Okay, X010.
Okay, sir.
Here you can check it. Here it is coming /0002. It is perfect. Okay, then Q010, Australian payroll. Okay, Q010 is not there. So they are also using X010. There is no issue. Okay, but in there, Saudi payroll SA10. In SA10, what it is there here? Three
Processing
here.
class.
Here. Only again they are specific. Only for the confusion they put. There is nothing again SA10 also. Here it is there here.
Okay,
If you
sir.
click on here, the same thing it will be there. There is no difference. Okay, but now D010. Do you have any modification, any changes? You can check it. If you have, you can. Okay, here up to here is very common,
Yes, sir.
right? But
Yes,
again, they
sir.
have given here. This is work schedule rule name. Work schedule rule name. This is working hours. This is how multi. What is that? That we have to know. For understanding purpose, what exactly it is we have to know. Okay, even in European continent, these are there. Okay, even if you go to Rome, Italy payroll, France payroll, if you go to UK payroll, Ireland payroll, also you can find out this. This is work
Okay.
schedule rule table work schedule rule. Only that is the difference. Other than that, even D013 also, okay. Now, X013, what it is telling here, whatever the amount which is in slash 001 002 by 176 hours, that we can check it here. Here it is.
Right.
This is 5, it is there. Same thing, right? But
Okay,
here,
sir.
D013, here, here also same thing it is there. There is no
Difference.
variation. But in
Yes,
UK
sir.
payroll, there is a lot of differences there. G013,
G013.
here. They specify the what are the wage types are it they specified here. Here. Variations are there, just you can check a wage type comparison. It is there. If it is 003, this is the process.
Okay, sir.
005, this is the process. If a 010, this is the process. Again, comparison is there for that is which one? This is for UK payroll.
UK pan. Yes, sir.
Right. The German payroll, we don't have much, but there is a confusion. Why I'm repeating again here? DT00, I will go with the practicality. DT00 PCR, DT00 PCR here. D DPWS, we have personal work schedule, it is there. That is one thing.
Okay.
Okay. In KSA payroll and an Australian payroll, retrieving, 14, 15, we have a separate sub schema, right?
Right, right, sir. Yes,
Here
sir.
sub schema, but okay, I want to tell you this is a sub schema, personal work schedule. Okay, what is a sub schema here? I want to tell you here it is there. Here DWBO. What I am telling here, recently one corporate training has been set for German payroll. They said, what they said to me, Madhu sir,
Okay.
we are expert in other country payrolls, Madhu sir. In German payroll, what they said here, Madhu sir, this schema is not there, sir. How do we run payroll? They said, import additional payments and deductions. This is not there. Where they are checking? Here, they are checking here. This is the main scheme, right? In the
Yes,
main
sir.
schema, it must be there. Sir, it is not there, sir. That's it. They're taking care. Because in other countries, that sub schema is part of the main schema, right? But
Yes, sir.
what they do technically, what they do, they have added in DT00. They added in DT00. Where they added here, whatever the PCRs, they are there here. They added here. This is here import additional payments and deductions.
Okay.
That's it. That is there. Now there is a question. Sir, can I block here and can I insert here also? Yes, you can insert. There is no issue. It
Okay.
will work out. It will work out. But SAP has provided there is a meaning. There some reason is there that still now we may not know. We may not know. But I removed that sub schema and I inserted in the main schema. It is working. Okay, in the future, if we get any problem, we can go ahead. But we must have enough dare to change that. So that means if you know one country payroll is very simple. Whatever the info types you maintain, to read that, what are the schemas, what are the functions are there, then just you have to know. That is a funda you have
Okay,
to
sir.
know. Right. Okay, this is DT00 and this is there here. And very, very important subschema. It's very common subschema that is TAL0, that is proration related. I will show you. Okay, next one DST also. Let us discuss. Tax for that. This is the tax. Okay, so schemas I want to put in red color. Okay, right. DF tax of Germany here. Social insurance TSVA. This is also Very, very important. This, I think you understood what is this.
Yes, sir. Factoring.
Factoring this
Yes.
DAL0. In DAL0, very, very important here DPPF or XPPF is here, right?
Okay.
Other than
Partial
XVAL.
period.
These
Okay.
are very common. Right. Next one, gross to net, one more gross remuneration that you need not touch it. Transfer, that is loans, tax, DSTO, DSPA. Yeah, this is
And
gross to net, DNet, QNet. Like we have a QNet there in Australia. Here it is a DNet.
DNet. Okay. Yes, sir.
There SCNet. There in Saudi payroll like that.
Mm.
Okay, capital formation, company information, German pension related. DAV0. This is German pension only. Garnishment also. Separate garnishment schema it is there. Just you can go ahead. Separate garnishment session. Acha, DPF1. Acha, it is outdated. Okay, right. DPF1, it is there. DPF1, that is very, very important. Yes. This is very common. Final processing also. This is right. These are the sub schemas we have to know.
Okay, sir.
Right. So our commitment is only the payroll. So we
Yes,
need
sir.
a company. So company code, personal area,
Personal area,
personal
personal
sub
sub
area,
area,
employee group, and employee
employee group,
subgroup.
employee subgroup. Right, sir.
So company will take standard one. I will check it. Standard companies are there or not. It must be there. So
Okay.
SPRO, F5, go to enterprise structure, 1000. In S4HANA, we don't have much data, but let me check it. 1000, no, it is India. Related. Okay. So what is a way to find out your companies? Here it is not possible. We have one option is there here, human resources. In human resource information system, reports, personal management, administration, employee list. Any employee is there. So country-wise employee is there. Nationality DE. Generator report. Any employee is there, we can get. Two employees are there, but there is like only two employees are there for German payroll. Okay, let me check it. Personal info type 200. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2404. Let me go to PA30.
Okay, sir.
2404. 0001. Click on display. Okay, that is AE related. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, let me check. AU AE02. AE02. Company code. No, it is Saudi Arabia. They are using Saudi Arabia country. Just 224 countries are there. 1000. SAP SE D8 is a world of it. 1001 company code is it. We'll take this. Yeah, but I'm not sure about GL accounts is there or not. I don't know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So okay, company will check company code. We are taking 1001.
Okay.
Okay, 1001 company. Let me check it. 1001 retro company it is there. Oh my God. They have taken Indian payroll retro company it is. Okay, it is not there. Okay. Company we don't want, just a company code we can go with that. Okay, so and one more thing also. OBY6. If not there, we can create also.
Okay, sir.
1001.
1001. It's there.
INT it is at K4 it is at same thing. We don't have any GL account. Okay, let us create
Okay.
our own company code also. Okay, I'm
Okay, sir.
taking here. So Serans. SR it is already there. SR related. Let us take here GE Tata GE Embo. I'm taking here personal area GE GE BE Berlin GEFR. So GE
Okay,
BE
sir.
Berlin I'm taking here GEFR Frankfurt personal sub area. Okay, GE BE I'm taking here 1001 personal sub area. GEFR I'm taking here 2001 I'm taking here. Employee group I'm taking G. Employee subgroup I'm taking here G1 and G2. Let me create them and let us stop today. Okay, first I'm going to
Okay,
create
sir.
a company. So what is the company where we can create company? Hiring I can do whenever I get free time here. SPRO F5. I'm going to with the enterprise structured company, financial accounting, defined company, new entries. So GE Tata, I'm taking here Tata groups. Street, I'm entering here Hitler Street. Something I'm entering 123. I think here only 4-digit code. Let me check it. City, I'm taking here Berlin.
Yes, sir. Berlin here.
Country, it is DE. Language, English. Currency, I'm taking EU or Euro. European. Okay, just press enter and say. GE Tata, I have taken. I'm taking company code also. So somewhere it is open. Let me close that first. So GEMBO, I'm taking here mobile. City, I'm taking here Berlin. Country, DE, currency, EUR, language English. Save it. DE, Berlin, where it is. These are the states are there. I think Hessen it is there here. This is no Berlin. It is 11. Berlin, that is standard. Save it. When we learn SAP in any other country, go to Google. What are the cities are there? City states are there. A minimum knowledge we require, to be frank. That is, what did we do? Company code. We did that. Then you do the assignment. What is the assignment? Company code to the company.
Yes, sir.
So what is that? GEMBO. Here you have to enter GE Tata. Save it. Then assign fiscal year variant /n OBY6 here. GEMBO company code here. So I'm taking here INT fiscal year variant K4. In real time, normally it is not INT. Finance people, they can create their own fiscal year variant and chart of account.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So one
Um,
question regarding the language, like you have selected English language, right? But
right.
sir, in German, I heard
They
from many
DE.
of my
They,
colleagues also.
they can go DE, German language.
Yeah, sir, they are like they love their language, right? Something like that.
Always they use German language, but it's
Yes,
very
sir.
difficult to us. If he can here, if he can maintain DE only language, he can maintain DE. But there are some
Okay,
German terminologies are there in such a cases. Only the
okay,
thing here, go to Google.
Yes, sir.
So
Translate.
yes, what I do the same thing also. In
Yes,
in
sir.
some garnishments it will be there. Enter Google, it will come into picture. So that is the
Yes, yes.
reason.
Got
When
it.
before you work in Australian payroll, here I want to
Hmm.
tell you the minimum words we have to know. This is I will tell you.
Ye- Guten Morgen, something like
Yes,
that.
yes,
Yes.
yes. Okay.
Guten Morgen, Guten Nacht.
Yes. Say for example, here basic pay is there. That is Grundhan. Okay, basic pay. Okay,
Okay.
like waste type
Wage
here.
type.
Lona.
Leonard. Yes, sir.
What? They Lona. Lona. They
Yes,
want to
sir.
say, what is this? Yeah. Then I will tell
Yes.
you. Yeah. They want to take here. Payroll. Oh my God. You see. Lona Unda. Lona Unda. They want to say the word.
Yes, sir. Right, right.
Because
Sir,
the math is
I know
difficult. Yes.
little, I know little bit German, sir.
That is good. That is good. Add advantage. But if you have a little bit of now, you can,
Yeah.
if you get opportunity on site, you can go ahead.
Okay, okay.
See,
Yes, sir.
this Luna and Gohanana. What is this? Can you see?
Okay. It's very tough,
Only
sir.
payroll area.
Yeah.
Ah, payroll area. Okay. Now, in the training, they ask this question here. Okay. Schema.
Okay.
No, it is not coming. It is not reading actually. No, no.
So
I will tell
if
you.
you refresh once, then it will.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is.
Personal calculation rule.
They
Personal
ask
re. Yeah.
what we can understand. Yeah. Then I used to ask them here, no, gentlemen, just you can speak about in English. Yeah, it is in English. Talking about that. That it's enjoying.
Yes,
We
sir.
are enjoying. Okay, not a problem here. That is right. Okay, but this SAP is available in German language also, French language also. If you want to go
Yes,
with
sir.
that,
Right.
okay, it is available.
Right.
In such a cases, you have to maintain D. You are absolutely right.
Yeah.
Right? But here we
Yes, sir.
cannot go. German language. That is one thing here. Okay, so that is finished. Next one, personal area I want to create here. How many two personal areas I'm creating here?
Okay.
So is they are calling. Okay, so let us stop today. Personal area we'll create tomorrow. So it's a
Okay,
meeting
sir. No
actually.
problem. Yes, sir.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow.